Maker and MakerDAO have been one of the longest standing DeFi products in all of crypto. It is one of the best performing protocols in the entire space in terms of the ability to generate revenue. It was printing millions of dollars a month during the bear market. It's doing the same here in the bull market. And yet it is valued at just 2.5 billion, a fully diluted valuation, meaning it has almost no additional tokens to put onto supply, which means there's less chance of it bleeding out during the bear market because all the tokens are already available. And it's still valued at less than Jito, for example, yet this thing is printing hundreds of millions of dollars right now. If you look at the share of DeFi products on Ethereum, Maker is currently earning almost 40% of all of the profits that are happening on Ethereum. And in fact, it is one of the top protocols, even if you compare it to L1s and L2s. If you annualize over the last 30 days, it's made something like 30 million in revenue. Annualize it to about 408 million, which puts it fourth overall in terms of fee generation or revenue generation. So behind ETH, Tron, Sol, and then you have Maker.